Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to clear storage on TikTok. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily clear storage on TikTok without deleting the app. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just update your TikTok application. So update your TikTok. So make sure you're using the latest version of TikTok. Once your TikTok is updated, open your TikTok application, and from your profile you can see the three lines at the top right corner. Click on that. Now go to settings and privacy. Scroll until you see free app space. Click on that. Now clear cache. Now you can see calculating, so clear cache and also clear download over here, and with this you can free up space or storage on your TikTok without deleting the app. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.